Hi, I'm Zonya. Can cookies raise your cholesterol and heart disease risk? Why, yes, they can. Thanks to the 2 sticks of butter, 2 cups of sugar, white flour, and nothing antioxidant and good for you. But wait a second. Can cookies be delicious and good for you and actually lower your cholesterol? Why, yes, they can. All we have to do is a little swap. That white flour, get rid of that. And let's use some whole grain oats. And then for that butter, let's just use peanut butter or almond butter or sun butter. So let's see, for the sugar, we can sweeten it with mostly fruit. And then we can add just a little bit of brown sugar or coconut sugar, which has a low glycemic index, or some Truvia. And then, of course, add lots of cocoa powder and dark chocolate chips, because those are so antioxidant rich, and studies show cocoa reduces our heart disease risk by over 30%. So now these become cholesterol lowering cookies that you should eat. Check them out. Chocolate Bliss Breakfast Cookies. So good for you, you can eat them for breakfast. Want to know how to make them? Here's how. So start by mashing 1 banana. And remember, you can double this recipe easily, because you'll be glad you did. But mash a banana really quick, and then next up we're going to add applesauce. See, that's our fruit right there, 1/2 cup. And this is sweetening power, but moisture powder too. And then we're also going to add 1 cup of natural peanut butter. Now you could use almond butter or sun butter, which is from sunflower seeds if you need to, your choice. And then oats, it's only 1/2 cup, but this is the cholesterol sponging factor. And flaxseed, you got that, 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed and 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Amazing stuff. Now you can use, it's only 1/4 cup of brown sugar or coconut sugar. Yep, or Truvia, if you prefer to use Truvia, your choice. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix all that together and use some dark chocolate chips and some craisins. These are cranberries, high in antioxidants. Or you could use dried cherries and nuts. Nuts reduce your risk of heart disease by 29%. Every ingredient in here is great for you and helps lower blood cholesterol. So this is going to make 15 cookies. Now, let me tell you, for the ladies, a serving is 2 cookies. For the guys, 3 cookies. And they are really good. They'll be hard to not eat more than that, just saying. You're going to bake these at 350 degrees for about 11 to 12 minutes. I think 11 is going to be perfect for this. Once you take them out, let them cool. This is how they turn out. And let me just tell you, these are amazing, moist. You would never know that there's no 2 sticks of butter in these. They're just fantastic. So they become a cookie that you can eat any time of the day, but so nutritious you can eat them for breakfast. That's why we call them Chocolate Bliss Breakfast Cookies, but you can eat them anytime. So here's the thing. If you want more ideas like this, check out my course, if you haven't already, called Conquer Cholesterol and Inflammation Deliciously. The link is below. In the meantime, check out the recipe and get baking. You're going to love them. Enjoy.